Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix place order button grayed out in DoorDash. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to place a food order on DoorDash, but for some reason the order button is grayed out. How do you actually go ahead about fixing this? So first things first, you want to make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. So the reason why I ran into this issue was because I was at an Airbnb, which I normally don't use DoorDash from. And so my Wi-Fi network or cellular network was unstable. So make sure that you're actually connected to a stable network. Next, we can actually go ahead and force close and restart the app. So if you go ahead and swipe up, you're going to look like this, and then go ahead and swipe up the DoorDash window again, and that is going to force close and restart the app. Go ahead and reload DoorDash and see if that works. See if the grayed out button now appears. Now, if that still continues to not work, you could actually go ahead into the App Store and then go ahead and search up DoorDash. And then you want to make sure that you're up to date with the latest version of DoorDash. So as you can see here, next to the DoorDash app, it says update button. So that means there's a later update for DoorDash available. Now, the other thing that you can do is that with DoorDash, you want to make sure that the restaurant that you're ordering from is actually open. So as obvious as it sounds, sometimes restaurants may close earlier than usual, or sometimes you might unknowingly be trying to order from a restaurant that's closed. That might also be the reason why the place order button is grayed out. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix this. As a last resort, you can even go ahead and try the website browser app of DoorDash. It tends to function basically the same way. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.